What if these simple AI jelly cartoons could become the foundation of a YouTube income stream? In 90 seconds, I'll show you the entire system. The goal isn't to copy someone else's success. It's to build original characters and short stories that people actually want to watch, and eventually build an audience around them.
First, open ChatGPT and use it as your idea machine. Ask for original concepts built around curiosity, emotion, visual surprise, and a satisfying ending.
Here's the important part. Don't generate random AI clips. Give every short a tiny story. Hook the viewer, create a problem, add emotion, build action, then finish with a satisfying payoff. Now ask ChatGPT to turn that idea into a production-ready prompt. Describe the characters, their exact appearance, the environment, camera movement, Copy that prompt into Google Flow. Choose your available video generation settings, paste the prompt, and generate. Now your text description becomes an actual animated scene. And this is the result. Notice that we're not relying on random visuals. The character has a problem, takes action, and gives the viewer a satisfying ending. Once the video is ready, upload it to YouTube with a strong title, thumbnail, and description. Then keep creating. One video isn't the business. A consistent library of original stories is. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements and follows its policies, the audience you build can potentially become revenue. One idea becomes one short becomes a channel. Now go create your first one.